Alright guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a website what I found online. So guys, the name is PlayPhrase.me. So you can see the first link, you can open that. I'm gonna explain you what this website do. So this is the interface. It looks like something like this. For example, if you're going to watch a TV show or a movie and you want a perfect dialogue, so you can type over here, for example, hello, how are you, and press enter.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Hello. How are you today?
Hello, how are you?
And
Yes,
for
hello.
another example, name.
What is your name?
What is your name?
Number 1, what is your name, please?
So this how this website works. You can see over here, contact us, YouTube, Facebook, and if you want another dialogues for over here,
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
you can see so many lists. If you want, you can also type over here. Let's see.
But it's also a really weird thing, because this is the first time I've ever seen.
And let's see something else. If you also
I'm gonna go to bed.
if you want to
I'm gonna go to
download
bed.
a video, you can click over here. You can see download video. The video is come over here. You can open and play. It will not be any kind of watermark, so you don't have to worry
I'm
about
gonna go to
anything.
bed.
You can see it's not a watermark over here. So guys, that's how this website works. You can see some settings over here, and you can play and you can do so many things around. So guys, I hope this video was little helpful for you and you learned something new. So guys, leave a like, don't forget to share with your family and friends, comment me down below if you are having any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye friends.